Hello, in this video I will show you how to install RAR application on HONOR X6a. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar, then type in RAR and click search. And now click install. Now click open. And here you have to click here to allow this app to manage your files, and now click back. And now you can decide if you want to see notifications from this app or not, and click dismiss. And your app is now installed and ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.